To build the castle of our dreams may be simpler than it seems. If you feel a little shy, here's something we can try. I'll just sing a little song,